COVID-19. Boone County added 1 new case for a total of 70. 47 of those cases are now recovered, though. Cole County is now at 32 cases with 14 recoveries. Callaway County has 18 cases with 13 recoveries. Missouri now has at least 41 deaths, with Callaway County reporting its first COVID-19 related death today. Let's take a look at the number of tests done in the state. Now, statewide, there have been more than 17,000 tests done in the last week. That's a 142% increase in tests. We are looking at March 29th to April 5th, last Sunday to the most recent Sunday. MU Healthcare and Boone Hospital have done about 1,100 of those tests. In total, the two hospitals have done 13% of all of the tests done in Missouri. Missouri has tested roughly the same number of people as states around its size. You can see how many people Maryland and Wisconsin have tested, the two states with the closest populations to Missouri. The combined total of all of those tested in those 3 states, though, is still several thousand people fewer than the population of this city of Columbia. State officials say those numbers are showing some positive signs for how Missouri's battle against COVID-19 is progressing. ABC 17's Joe McLean was in Jefferson City as state health leaders looked at the latest data.
Infectious disease experts said today social distancing in Missouri is having a big effect on slowing down the spread of new infections. But they also said we must keep practicing it. Dr. Stephen Witt, infectious disease expert with the University of Missouri Healthcare, said the rate of new infections has leveled off. Hospitals are able to keep up with the spread, and that more people are now in the recovery phase than the number of new infections. Meanwhile, Missouri's Director of Health and Senior Services said there's more encouraging news.
For the first time before March 23rd, we had no tests come back positive today from our state lab, and those are done in real time. Those are done in 24 hours.
Williams said positive tests done in private labs did jump by around 300, but said that may represent tests from more than just one day. According to DHSS, only about 10% of people tested for COVID-19 test positive. Only about 20% of those end up in the hospital, and the majority of those who are hospitalized recover. But how many have recovered, and why is that data not posted?
One of the things we hoped to put was both the admissions and the discharges, and the Missouri Hospital Association is unable to capture the discharges. So we do know how many people are being admitted,
but not how many are being discharged from the hospital. Based on data from other states, though, William estimates about 75% are released from medical care. The governor's next COVID-19 update is scheduled for 3 p.m. tomorrow. In Jefferson City, Joe McLean, ABC 17 News.
The governor also signed an executive order today easing rules for the signing of official documents. More information on that new order is on our website, abc17news.com.